Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable price alerts notifications on your app on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. So then you come to next here. Then you click here on investing. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to price alerts. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's me price alerts notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.